In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Coinbase Simple Trade Mode. If you're new to crypto, this walkthrough will help you buy or sell your first asset with confidence, using Coinbase's streamlined interface made for beginners. First, you'll need a Coinbase account. Head to the official Coinbase website in your browser or download the Coinbase app on your mobile device. Create your account with an email and a strong password, then complete identity verification. This step is required before you can trade and typically involves submitting basic personal details and a valid ID. It helps keep your account secure and meets regulatory requirements. Take your time here and make sure everything matches your legal information. Next, log in on the app or website using your email and password. By default, beginners start in Simple Trade Mode, which presents a clean, easy order screen without advanced tools. If what you see looks straightforward with clear buy and sell options, you're in the right place. Before placing a trade, add a payment method. Open Settings, then Payment Methods, and link a supported option such as a bank account or a debit card. Different methods can have different fees and processing speeds, so choose what fits your needs. Some banks may require quick verification steps, so keep an eye out for any prompts. By the way, you'll find the official download link for the app and the website link at the very top of the description, so you can get set up securely and quickly. From the home screen, browse the list of cryptocurrencies or use the search bar to find the one you want, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Tap or click the asset to open its page, where you'll see price information and the buy and sell buttons. Select buy to purchase or sell if you already hold that crypto and want to convert it back to cash. Simple Trade Mode will show you a clear order form without extra complexity. Enter the amount you want to trade. You can type a dollar amount or a crypto amount and Coinbase will calculate the estimate for you. Take a moment to review the price and fees displayed on the screen. Fees can vary based on your payment method, the size of the trade, and market conditions. Finally, carefully review all details, including the amount, fees, and payment method. When everything looks correct, tap Confirm Buy or Confirm Sell. Your order will process instantly or within a short time, and you'll see the result reflected in your portfolio or cash balance. That's it. You're ready to use Simple Trade Mode with confidence. Thanks for watching.